Hello friends, every recommendation I'm going to give you has been verified here in the workshop, so don't worry, this has a solution. After checking information and talking with clients and workshop technicians, we're bringing you the clearest solutions for when your water heater starts leaking. Many clients tell us, I see water around the base and I don't know where it's coming from. And the first thing we think is that there can be several causes, some more serious than others. In most cases, the leak is not an accident. It's a signal that something inside the tank or in its connections needs attention. Some clients notice water coming from the base of the heater and describe it as, it leaks even when I'm not using any water. Workshop technicians explain that this almost always indicates internal corrosion of the tank. Over time, minerals in the water and constant heat wear down the metal, and once a small hole forms, water starts to escape. There's not much that can be done with DIY patches. The real solution is to replace the tank or the entire unit, because continuing to use a corroded tank can lead to bigger leaks or even structural damage to your installation. In other cases, the leak appears around the water inlet or outlet connections. Clients tell us, it looks like the leak is coming from where I connected the pipes. From the workshop, we explain that often the nuts or fittings loosen over time, or the washers wear out, which causes water to escape at these points. Checking the connections and, if necessary, replacing the washers or seals usually solves most of these external leaks. One technician comments, before thinking about internal problems, we always make sure the connections are properly tightened and sealed. Some clients also mention that water drips specifically around the pressure or temperature relief valve. Phrases like, it starts leaking when the heater has been running a while, are very common. This happens because the valve is designed to release water if internal pressure or temperature gets too high. Technicians explain that if it activates constantly, it may indicate a faulty valve or excessive pressure in the system. In these cases, replacing the valve with a new one or installing an expansion device is usually the best solution to prevent unnecessary leaks. In some cases, clients notice that the leak appears after maintenance or when the heater was moved. They say, after it was cleaned or adjusted, water started coming out. This usually occurs if the access covers or internal seals were not properly reinstalled, and even though the machine works, water pressure forces it out through poorly sealed points. Workshop technicians always check that everything is properly tightened and sealed after any intervention, because even a small misalignment can cause leaks that seem serious but are solved with a professional adjustment.